Hi, welcome back to Sound of Motors. And yeah, today we've got a 2019 Ford Kuga 2-liter diesel, and it come up with a fault code. Yeah, but basically come up with a glow plug issue. I just tested glow plugs by literally you don't have to take anything apart. You literally unplug the plug, and you can measure the resistance on the plug itself, because each wire on the plug is connected to each glow plug, so you can check the resistance of glow plugs without removing anything. It's like 30-second job, much easier. All the glow plugs are perfect, all fine. So that's the other thing. We've got a glow plug relay, genuine Ford or Peugeot or Citroen, whichever one you take a pick. uh, yeah, so that will have to be replaced. Just found the glow plug. It's located literally just there in that hole. I did try to. Oh, I don't know if you might be able to see it just there, but you might not see it. But it's literally in that hole. I tried to remove the airbox out, tried to remove the headlamp, but then I realized that if I would take the wheel arch off, it's it probably will be a lot quicker, because none of it comes out easy. Airbox comes out, but you can't get to it. With the headlamp, same thing. I'm not sure how to. It's all very stuck in there, so I'm not going to bother with it with the headlamp. I'm going to jack it up, remove partially the wheel arch, and I'm going to attempt to get to the glow plugs through the wheel arch. Okay, all right. Okay, let's take this wheel arch off. Okay, is it any good? I can see the glow plug. I can see the glow plug relay. It just bolts on this side of ECU. Let's drop this down. I can touch the glow plug relay, unplugged it, and I can see one. I can feel one more bolt there. I think it might be torque 30. There's something I can stick my hand through here somehow. Might be more room. Literally in this very awkward place. It's torque 25. Inspect the plug. Seems to be okay. Don't look rusty. Oh, at last I managed to get onto the head. There you go. We managed to unbolt that. That's the screw that goes through this hole and bolts to the back of the box of the ECU. Obviously I dropped the screw now. And that's the screw. Oh, try to get to it. Nightmare. Well, I can put new one back in. Yeah, the relay just sits here. Bolts to the back of the ECU. Much easier to do it with the ECU completely disconnected. Sure, there is more places in the car that they could have bolted to. Okay, that's bolted. That plugs in. Well, that's the glow plug relay is back on. Now let's put the ECU back in. One bolt here. Right, that's it. Let's bolt it back. What an awkward job that was. Well, I just need to put it all back together now. What I took apart, I didn't really need to take apart, but I'm saying it was one of them jobs that I didn't even know location of the relay. Right, that's in. That's back in. That's back in. Now it's all back together at last, and the only thing I need to do now is torque up the wheel nuts and then take it for a test drive. I already cleared all the fold coats. That's why I couldn't remember the original fold coat, but it was along the lines that glow plugs are not working basically. Obviously because of that the DPF won't regenerate, but we put new glow plug relay on. The glow plugs are fine. I've checked them. All I need to do now is take it for a test drive and see if anything comes back. If nothing comes back and regenerate the diesel's DPF starts regenerating itself, then I'm happy bunny. If it doesn't, then we're gonna see what else comes back. And for now, that'll do. And then I'll get back to you when we're ready to hand this vehicle back. Thank you. Cheers.